Yo, we're gonna make this as short as possible for the most part. You know me, I like to ramble sometimes, like I'm doing right now. Anyhow, Flydigi is doing some kind of sale that's going on right now, and they're having some issues with one of their links. I'm just going to throw that out there right now. But you can get specials on Cyber Monday all the way through December 3rd. This video is coming out sometime on December 2nd, whenever I post it, because I'm literally just gonna make it, turn around and post it. And you're asking me, why are you going through all this trouble to do something that's the sale's not even really going to be lasting much longer? Well, they're actually doing something a little special for my audience in particular. They sent out this controller to give away, so I'm giving it away. So how I'm going to do it is I'm just going to pick a random commenter to below. You gotta live in the US, can't live outside the US. I can't afford all that shipping cost. So if you live in the US and you comment below, I'm going to pick some random commenter. Just plain and simple. Once I pick you, I will give you my social media account to X, and then I'll contact you through there. If you don't have an X, I'll do Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram, I don't know what to tell you. Just you make one if you want a free controller. Pretty much simple as that. If you want to check those discounts out and those sales that are going on out, make sure you check out the links below. And as always, guys, I appreciate all the love. Happy holidays from the Pugh, and I guess Flydigi as well, because they're hooking you guys up with a free controller and 20% off. And this is, I'm just straight up being honest, one of my favorite controllers out there right now. I literally have it in hands reach of my desk because I play with it when I'm not reviewing controllers and stuff. So yeah, check it out. See you guys. Peace.